Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Costco Citi credit card bill online. So first of all, you need to come here on citi.com. Afterwards, you need to click on the option of sign on and then simply sign on into your account. Now, once you have successfully signed in, you need to just simply select your Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi, and then you need to select the option of make a payment. Then choose the bank account that you want to use for the payment, enter the payment amount. You can pay the minimum amount due, your statement balance and your current balance, or you can also enter another amount. Then simply just choose the payment date and review the bank account and the amount carefully. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the option of schedule payment and submit the form. So after the payment is scheduled, you can check your account's primary payment activity in order to confirm that the payment is showing correctly. You can also manage the automatic payments via the Citi account if you want future bills to be paid automatically. Just remember that Costco doesn't process the credit card payments itself. Your Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi bill is paid directly through Citi. So you need to use your Citi account for the online payments. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.